Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating another Modelones collection for you. So they also have brought out a little nail art stamping kit which I just had to try out, and I absolutely love the packaging. So this is their Wonderland set, so it is very much obviously Alice in Wonderland themed. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the stamping kit first. So this is what you will receive. So obviously you've got the stamper, the clear stamper, the stamping plate, and these are gel polish removal wrap things. I have used similar ones before and they are really good. Obviously I'm not going to be using them today, but I will try to remember to use them in future removal design nails, so I can kind of get to show you how well they work. So this is the stamping plate. It does have some sort of brief instructions on the back, just in case you are totally new to stamping, but I'm going to show you how I stamp it anyway. So obviously you can see here that there is some Alice and in Wonderland, references. So obviously you've got the rabbit, and you know, can't be late kind of thing, and then you've got the Queen, the Mad Hatter, and some like obviously the garden-y themed plate images. So this is their clear stamper. So this to me seems like a very similar sort of size to like Born Pretty or Beauty Big Bang, or you know, different stampers of this sort of you know, size. So there you go, that's just a quick sneak peek of it looking down the barrel, as it were. And it does come with a scraper, which is a fairly firm scraper, so I'll see how I'll get on with that one. I do prefer my flexi scrapers. So moving on now, obviously you've got this collection, so I'm just going to take off the box. So all of these collections do come with like a little instruction card. If you turn it over, it does go through the steps that you're going to need to apply these gel polishes to your nails, but obviously I'm going to be showing you that in this video anyway. So obviously normally it's a 7-piece collection of gel polishes, but these two on the end, the silver and black, are actually stamping polishes. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to wear them as a normal base coat as well. So I'm just sort of going to quickly just give you a sneak peek of the polishes. So obviously this is Red Queen and it's gorgeous. It's got a gorgeous sort of shimmer through this one. This is White Queen, and obviously you've got that sort of like bluey greeny tone to it. The next one up is the Mad Hatter, and it's a gorgeous pink. Then I think this is coming across as black on screen, but it's actually green. It's quite a dark green, and it's called Wonderland. And then you've got this absolutely stunning blue, which is called Alice, and oh, I absolutely love that blue. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to show you the swatches now. So this is Red Queen. Obviously you would have to prep your nails ready for a gel manicure. If you want to know those steps, I can leave a link to a video. So yes, this is it after its first coat. So it's actually really quite well pigmented, as you can see there, and it does have a gorgeous glitter shimmer through it. So I've gone ahead, so it was 2 coats for it to be fully opaque, and I have gone ahead and applied a top coat as well. Excuse me when I straighten up my nail. So this is how it looks. So I really love this red. It's not obviously like a bright red, but it's a gorgeous red, perfect for autumn/winter time, which is perfect for this time of year here in the UK. So this is White Queen, and I was actually a little bit disappointed with this one because obviously in certain lights you can see that it's actually quite yellowy, which I don't like the look of. So obviously with it being White Queen, I thought it would have looked better over white, just being honest. But I think this is more of a topper as opposed to a polish. So I did actually put it over a black, I know it's called White Queen, but I think, yeah, like I say, this can be more of a topper. So you could apply this over all of the other polishes in this collection, and it's going to add this gorgeous sort of glitter shimmer to it. But yeah, I didn't really like how it looked over white. So this, obviously, it was 2 coats and top coated. So there you go. That's that one. I do love it over the black with that sort of bluey, purpley, greeny tone it's got going on with it. So moving on now, this is the Mad Hatter, and it is a gorgeous pink shade. It's a really lovely warm shade of pink. So I have watched Alice in Wonderland, but like I haven't watched it in years. And I know there's been like a more modern one brought out as well. But I really wanted to try this collection out, obviously, because of the fact that you've got that stamping kit with it as well, which hopefully will be good. So the next one up is Wonderland, and like I say, it looks quite dark, but actually it's quite sheer when you apply it to the nail. Obviously, I'm putting this over a white base, so it might look differently against your own natural skin. So I'm just going to apply the second coat. I just realised I don't know why I'm showing you the second coat with this one. Obviously, I must have missed that with editing. But what are your thoughts kind of so far on this collection? Is this something that you would purchase? I do think it's got some gorgeous colours in it, and obviously with Alice in Wonderland, it is a bit of a quirky video, isn't it? It's quirky things going on there. But I absolutely love this blue. I have been coveting a blue that looks like this for so long. I do love, is it cobalt? Is that right? Anyway, you know what I mean, that kind of blue. It's such a striking blue, and I've never been able to get one, even though I've typed in cobalt gel polish. It just doesn't have the look that I want, but this one definitely has it. So I was really drawn to this polish, which I've been really, really impressed with. So this is it, obviously, after it's been top coated. I mean, wow, how striking is that blue? Totally, totally love it. And I'm so glad I've got one like it in my collection, because like I say, I've been coveting it for such a long time. So yeah, mega happy that I've got it. So with this one, I did this off camera. So yeah, I'm pretty sure with these, as long as you apply base coat, that you can apply it as a normal sort of polish base. So these are the 2 colours after top coating. And I'm just going to get on to the stamping now. So you do need to remove that blue film before stamping. So I'll just give you a quick look over the stamping plate again. So I quite like the images on this plate. I do wish that they had more Alice characters. Like, obviously they've got the rabbit and they've got the Mad Hatter reference and obviously the queens, but I would have liked like a stamping image of Alice and, you know, maybe the drink me potion kind of thing. Like a lot of these images, it can be on any other stamping plate. It doesn't necessarily scream out Alice in Wonderland themed. So yeah, I suppose that's my only criticism of the plate, that I would have liked it to be more images of Alice in Wonderland theme kind of thing. I could be wrong, like I haven't watched it, you know, these images that I'm watching, it could be very, you know, thingy to the film, but like I say, like this chevron look you can get on most stamping plates. So this is what I use to remove the stamping polish. It's just like a cotton claw. I think I got this from B Love's plate. It just saves you not getting acetone all over your fingers basically, which is going to help prolong your mani. So you've got this diamond shaped image here. So you can see obviously that there has been no issue with the stamping. It's picked up the images really well actually. So you can see that here. So both the silver and the black stamping polish have picked up really, really well, which I was really impressed with. And obviously all of the stamping plate, the stamper itself and the polish all work well together as a combo. So to swatch the rest of the polishes, I just picked some of the swatches that I've obviously previously done. I will be doing a design also, but that has picked up really, really well. So I'm just going to put this sort of like chess pieces over the white queen, because obviously that's kind of like where she was in the film. So there you go, really good pickup. And then this is the Mad Hatter theme, so I'm going to put this obviously over the Mad Hatter polish. So again, no issue with pickup. So I actually have been very surprised with how amazingly this has picked up. Like I don't actually think they've brought out any other stamping plates or stamping products before this. So yeah, so it was really cool to kind of just, get the kit, and it just works absolutely fine. I didn't do any prep on the stamper either, just in case you were wondering. Generally, a lot of stampers nowadays, they don't need prepping. You kind of like, way back when stamping was quite a new thing, you had to like prep your stamper, whether it is wiping it with isopropyl alcohol or, lightly buffing it, which obviously you wouldn't want to do with a clear jelly stamper because they are very delicate. But yeah, so I've been really impressed with that. So obviously I'm just showing you the stamping image along with the rest of the nails. Just to kind of, I don't know, show colour combos maybe, or, just to show you how it looked. So for the nail design, I'm going to get some of the other stamping images now. So this one is super cute with the rabbit. It is so gorgeous. And then I'm going to take the clock as well. So obviously this is the rabbit's sort of stopwatch. And I chose to put it in a gold stamping polish, which obviously wasn't included. And neither was this red. I'm just using different stamping polishes here. So I'm going to just stamp these roses straight over the green. Because obviously in the film you did have the red roses over the green brush, obviously. And I think those white roses as well. And that's picked up really well. And then I'm going to do what's referred to as either advanced stamping or maybe decal making, where you can obviously fill in images like this with the different colours. So I'm just going to pop some music on now. I'll meet you back in a bit. So a tip for dry stamping is to get some transfer foil glue, which is what I've got here, which is Nail FX the Edge. And you want to apply that onto your nail beforehand and allow it to dry. Then you can take your stamper and just place it directly on it. And because it leaves like a tacky layer, it just helps it stick to the nail. And I really love how this looked. It's such a cute image. So I'm just going to apply the other stamping images also. There you go. That's how that looks. And then obviously you want to go ahead and apply a top coat and cure underneath the lamp. And this is the look. So I really hope that you guys like it. And obviously you've got to see some of, like, most of the stamping images as well. So yes, I've been really impressed with this collection. I really hope that you guys like it. If you want to purchase it, I do have a link in the description box, which you can just click on and it will take you straight to that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.